Thank you, Faisal, for being with us. We would like to know about the Sharia compliant Noor credit card and how it's getting the market and how it's getting the response from the market.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I would like to clarify that Noor card is not a credit card in a pure sense. It's an alternate to credit card.
Okay.
And I'll explain the background first. Faisal Bank is undergoing a complete transformation. Faisal Bank was a conventional bank, and now, Alhamdulillah, we have decided, our board and management has decided to completely convert the conventional banking operation of Faisal Bank. Credit card was one of the flagship product of Faisal Bank. It was a conventional structure, but after taking the decision of conversion, we also decided to convert our credit card as well, and we started work on this credit card. In fact, the Islamic structure of the credit card, I think around 5 years back, and we actually reviewed many structures, and finally we decided to go for Tabarruk structure.
Okay.
And this structure again, decision was taken around 2 years back, and then we started work on the Tabarruk structure, and obviously it was something which was not in Pakistani market. In fact, our structure, the Noor card, which is backed by a Tabarruk structure, is very innovative. It's very innovative, and what we have done in Pakistan, we have tried to cater to the needs of the people and the Sharia requirement.
Okay. Yes.
Right, and Alhamdulillah, Tabarruk structure finally Noor card was finalized, and we have taken approval from State Bank of Pakistan. We have got approval from our Sharia board, and Alhamdulillah, the response is very, very good. We have just launched the credit card, and it's just about, I think, a week.
Yes.
We have actually officially announced the launch of the card, and we are getting very good response. And at the moment, our teams are actually receiving applications from the prospective customer, and obviously there is a documentation requirement. Obviously there is a process involved, and as soon as the process is completed, the card will be starting issuing the card.
Fine. Can you elaborate a little bit on the how is different from the earlier card Islamic financing introduced?
Actually, there are two structures all over the world. One is called Ujra card, the other is called Tabarruk cards. Ujra card, there are certain issues with Ujra card, and Sharia scholars actually, in Pakistan especially, in fact, they advise to use the Tabarruk structure because it's something which is closer to what the Sharia scholar thinks, that we can use Tabarruk structure in a more easier manner than Ujra structure. Yes. Because credit card per se is something which is in the traditional
Yes.
Sharia. Actually, we under a credit card structure, actually the bank extends a loan to the customer. Now this is something which Sharia scholars don't like, because in Islamic Sharia, using or spending more than what you have is not very
Yes.
very appreciated. So but in the today's world, if you don't have credit card, you can't travel. Even after the pandemic situation,
Yes.
or online purchasing
And
is
institutes-
something, yes,
And
is something
in
which can only be done through credit cards. You can use debit card, but the protection which credit card has, it is not available in the debit card structure.
Yes.
So we actually first of all, we convinced our Sharia board that there is a need for an Islamic structure for credit card. And Alhamdulillah, when our Sharia board realized and understood that yes, there is a requirement in the market, then we started working on the Sharia structure, and Alhamdulillah, the Tabarruk structure, we have used Tabarruk structure, and the card is there.
Yes, Faisal Bank has been working on Islamic structure of financing. How long, how much of the Faisal Bank is now Islamic, and how much is more to go?
At the moment, we have got 500 Islamic branches.
Okay.
And we have got total branches 577. Out of 577, we have got 500 Islamic branches. On the branch side, Alhamdulillah, we are at 90%. Alhamdulillah. So we have actually we have got a portfolio of more than 200 billion rupees. So we have covered a lot of area there as well, and we believe that inshallah, with Allah's support, We plan to fully convert the bank by the end of next year, inshallah.
Inshallah.
But it's our target. But I think the pace with which we are working at the moment, I believe that inshallah we'll be achieving the target before the due date, inshallah.
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 Thank you very much for your interview.